always wonder why Indians love gold and diamonds so much. No matter what, if you're from India, if you live in the city or in the village, if you're rich or poor, you must love gold and diamond. I have a very special deal, and I'm assuming my buyer will be from India. That's why I'm talking about India. It's Sky-Dweller white gold full diamond. It's with round brilliant cut diamond and the baguette diamond. Sky-Dweller Rolex, they are one of the most complicated watches that Rolex creates. Normally Rolex watches are not very complicated when it comes to the movement of the watches, except the Sky-Dweller. I can say it's grand complication of the Rolex white gold. And the price, it's $850,000 US in the boutique, and we are offering for the same price with no premium and with no discount. But it's one of the most difficult watches to get because it requires a lot of effort for the brand to make a masterpiece like this.